Hi guys, it's me Isapthese, and today I am going to be doing a haul video. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you wanted me to do a haul video of a recent shopping trip that I just made, and you guys all said yes, so here I am delivering. So if you didn't know, and if you're from Cebu, Miniso just opened. If you're not from the Philippines and you guys still have a Miniso, comment your country down below and put like a hoo-ha over there. Let's all celebrate international brands all over the world. So Japan is known for their clean and chic designs, and we are so lucky here in Cebu because they are bringing those designs over here. And the best part about it is that most of the items at Miniso actually cost like 99 pesos, 149, 199, and nothing is basically higher than 1,000. They are finally here. They are located at the second floor of the SM City Cebu, where the old Planet Exchange, where the old Planet I can't pronounce this properly, where the old Planet Exchange was, and I was lucky enough to be invited to their grand opening. So if you don't know what Miniso has to offer, they have a bunch of fashion items, accessories, they have a lot of stationaries, they have anything that ranges from beauty, toys, and even technology and home things. So I took a little shopping trip over there, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So let's open this little bag over here. I got a gift bag from them as a thank you, and it had this little pig pillow, and this is super cute and timely and appropriate because y'all know that my nickname is Piggy among all the other nicknames that I have. But when I got it, I know obviously that it is a car pillow, but I like wearing it here just because it looks so cute. So I'm gonna keep this on my head for like the most part of the video. It's so cute, like it's so fluffy. Anyways, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. We don't do that on this channel, no. Anyways, the second thing that I got is this little lollipop tea ball. This is, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So I saw this on the racks and I was like, man, I want it. I want a little tumbler, but I didn't buy it because I don't really know how to use a tumbler. Like, I have one and like I never use it. I still prefer glasses, and like I don't really know how I'm gonna use this. Like, I just use a regular glass, so I didn't buy it. But then the goodie bag had one, and I was so happy about that because I'm like, cool. It was a gift, so I have to start learning, and I wasn't wasting money if I never used it. So it's obviously like just like a little tumbler, and it's cute because like this part has like some lollipop text on it, and it's just like some decoration. But the cool part about this thing is this lollipop tea thing. Okay, so I don't really know what this is, but we're gonna open it anyways. I asked Paulo to explain it to me a little bit because I had no idea what it was. It just looks so cool. So wait, let me just take out the straw. So basically it has like a little tea infuser inside there. So basically it has like this little tea infuser inside, and it is super cool. I don't know, like I think you pop it out or something. Ah, Isa, you don't know anything. Okay, there. Alright, there. So you open it up, and I guess like you put tea in here, and then you put the straw back in, and you just like kind of leave it like that. And then I guess like if you put water, I don't know, how do you drink tea? Is it like hot? I think it's hot, but this is plastic, so I guess it's like cold, and then you just like stir it, and then it's really cool because you get to drink tea. Funny thing though, I don't drink tea, but I really wanted it, so maybe I should start learning how to drink tea. Don't really like tea, but I have it, so I need to have an excuse to drink tea. So these are the two things that I got as a gift for attending the event, and I'm probably just gonna take this off because I know this is super distracting for you guys, but this is so cute. So now I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got, and I was given a GC to shop, but I kind of went over the GCs a little bit and had to pay a little bit more money, but it was totally worth it. So I'm gonna just show you guys, and I actually opened this one already because I wanted to show it to Paulo. It is a organizer, and it is in the size large, so it's just like this clear Tupper like container. It's 99 pesos, and I'm gonna put this on top of like my fridge. I mean, not on top of my fridge, on top of my toilet, because I have like a lot of toiletries that are on like the sink, and then it's always a mess, and I kind of just want to keep it on top of the toilet. So I decided to get this. I do not know if it's gonna fit. so I gotta go check it. They have a bunch of Tupperwares there. They're so cute. You can store your notebooks in it. You can store your makeup. You can store anything you guys want. And it's never a bad idea to stock up on organizers or containers. And the other thing that I like about it is that it's stackable. So if you get another one, you can stack them on. They have different colors, but I got the white one. I know they have a blue one because it says so on the picture. But this is basically why I bought it, because it's 99 pesos. If I ever want to get another one, I can just do so and then stack it on top of it really easily. I like to organize like that. If you've seen my makeup collection, or if you've like seen any of my vlogs, I only use like acrylic cases for my makeup, and I invested in it. I got one from Muji, and I only get the acrylic ones because I kind of like to keep it in like this, like they're easy to buy, and I just like it like that. So I kind of already foresee myself buying more containers, so I got this one already. Yeah. So the next thing that I got, which is totally random because I just bought it and you guys can already see it. Anyways, but I just got one and I still have another one which I haven't opened. But I couldn't resist, guys. Me and my friend Jean Yu, we were looking at the notebooks and we were just like, we have to have it. I got a very cute notebook. Look at that. This is so cute. It's super cute. I love how it has like lollipops and like plants, and it has a pineapple, and it has like a watermelon and like margaritas or like some summery drink, and it has a camera. So me and Jean were looking at it, and there are like so many designs for this notebook, but we really had to get this one, so we're matching yet again. We have like 2 matching notebooks already. I don't know if you guys are the type of people who like to collect notebooks and never really use them, but I kind of have like a stationery addiction. Like, you can leave me in a bookstore, or you could leave me at a hardware store, and I could stay there for hours. I love those places more than I actually love to shop for clothes. Usually when I shop for clothes, I'm like, get in and get out. Like, my window shopping is stationaries, not department stores, stationaries, hardware stores, and also pet stores. So I'm like that weird person who's just like walking around looking at stuff and not really getting anything. Yeah, so kind of like, if you guys have that if you guys do that, let me know that I'm not alone. But I definitely tend to hoard on notebooks, and I have a lot of notebooks and organizers, so okay, whatever. But yeah, this is a really cute notebook. This is 99 pesos, and I'm so happy to have it. It's not lined though, which is like one of my problems. It says so here. It kind of has a description or like a little picture. You can tell if it's lined because obviously it has lines, but yeah. And if you're wondering why I got it in this, because they have like the exact same design, but it's at the side. I'm actually left-handed, so it's easier for me to write like this. And I guess, like, I kind of flip it. I'll show you guys another notebook, like, maybe some other time if you guys are really interested. But I tend to write my notebooks, like, especially if they're spiral, like, in a different way. So, yeah. Anyways, the next thing that I got is this, I don't know how you say it or pronounce it, kunjak, whatever. I got a sponge. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't really know why. It does, like, okay, so the thing with Miniso is there are some items there that totally make sense and are totally worth being like 99 pesos, but then again, there are also some things that are just like, nah, it's probably a lot cheaper than that, but I guess like they just want to keep it in that price range. So I guess like a kunjak, I don't know how you pronounce it. Anyways, I guess this sponge is one of those things, but I don't really know how much they cost on Shopee or like other websites. They're like dirt cheap, but I saw and I was like, yeah, you know what, let's go get one. And I guess this is like a deep cleansing, no harm to skin sponge. I have heard so many things about this. I've heard like really good things about this. I don't want to pronounce it because I don't know how, but I've heard a lot of good things about this sponge, so I just decided, you know what, let's try it out. They have a lot of different colors for this, and I got the pink one because I don't know why I got the pink one. I don't really like pink that much, but got it anyways. Right, so I have like 3 more things in here, and these are all like beauty related products. I wanted to do a full face makeup look, but I am not able to do that for you guys because they don't have any of the BB creams or CC creams in my color range. So yeah, I'm running out of battery, so I'm gonna have to kind of like speed this up. But anyways, so I got like a 3D mascara or a 3D, no, this is an eyebrow pen, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. I hope my battery will not die, but if it does, then I'm gonna have to redo this. I'm gonna just have to pick up from where I ended, and then the lighting is gonna be really whack. I can't take it out. Ay, nako po. There. Alright, so this is like a 3D pen, and I kind of didn't like it at first, but you know, I saw it, the girl was like trying to sell it to me, and I was like, okay, I'm running out of my pencil anyway, so I'm using like the 199 peso Maybelline Dual Brow Pencil, which I actually do like, but it runs out really fast, so I'm running out of that, so I kind of decided to like try something new, and this was one of those things. This is actually the thing that I'm trying out. I don't know how to do this thing. Oh yeah, no, I hope I don't break it. Okay, no, that's not the one. Alright, so there's like 3 parts to this thing. Oh, there. So the first part of the pencil is this. So it's like a 3-way, and this is like the pencil thingy that it's an angled brow pencil, whatever, that you put on your eyebrow, and that's the first step. And the second step is the brow powder. And this is like the Maybelline one that I use, and I tend to like, it's growing on me. At first I didn't understand it, but it's growing on me. And the third one is like this little mascara brow, like mascara brow, what am I trying to say? Mascara wand, and it's really tiny. So honestly, the thing that made me want to buy it is like this little mascara wand, because it was so freaking tiny, and I'm like, oh my god, I must have it. It's so freaking cute. But actually, I'm kind of iffy because the colors of this, they only had 1 shade. And like, I know this is not my color. I don't know if you guys can see it here. There. I know it's not really my color, but I want to make it work because I really want to use the small mascara wand. But I kind of like, I kind of compensated for it with the brow powder. So there's the brow powder. Like, I'm putting it on top there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm such a bad hauler. This is, it seems like it's dry. Seems like it's dry. Seems like it's dry. Okay, anyways, there's a powder. And let's try out the mascara wand. Sorry guys, I'm kind of not used to doing hauls. So, or like showing off makeup and stuff. So you're going to have to kind of learn with me. But there. I don't know if you guys can see me. I don't know if you guys can see it. There. So that's also like the colors that they come in. My nose is really itchy. It tends to itch whenever I'm shooting videos. That's so weird. The next thing that I got was totally random, and I blame Jean for this. But I'm gonna blame Jean for everything. By the way, check out her YouTube. She has one now. So it's I think it's Life on a Flavored Runway, or it's jeanu.com. But anyway, she's a very good friend of mine, and she likes to tempt me with beautiful things. But I was walking, and then I saw this one, and it is so beautiful. It's a little bit more expensive, though. It's like sorry if I'm itching my nose from scratching. This is like $199, and I saw it was like, or $149, and I saw it. I was just like, screw it, I have to have it. And it's kind of stupid because I've never bought, like, this is honestly the first. No, this is the second eyeshadow palette that I ever bought. The first one was the Ever Belena one, which I only did for you guys, but I've never bought an eyeshadow palette for myself. I've never bought one ever, for that matter. Like, I'll usually have like my mom give me eyeshadow. Like, I'm very late in the makeup game. I'm 27 and I'm still learning makeup, or like really learning to appreciate it. But that is not my laundry yet. Is that not my laundry? Is he not bringing me something? Anyways, so I saw this. I've never really gotten myself like an eyeshadow palette, but I saw this and I was just like, I have to have it. And the colors were just so beautiful. I think like now we're transitioning from like pinks to orange or yellows, but you know, whatever. I still had to have it anyways. I'm so excited to try it out. So let's swatch this for you guys here. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's here. There. It's there. You get, okay, wait, let me, oh, never mind. Alright, so that's the first color. And it's like very powdery. Maybe you guys can't see it because my hands are so dark because I came from the beach, if you guys are wondering where I got my tan. But this is the pink one. I hope you guys can see it. The next is, let's try like this bronzy. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Look. Oh, that is so beautiful. Whatever, you guys are gonna see it. Try at least to see it. Wait, let's use another finger. This is like the brown one. It's like, it's okay. It's okay. And then, ooh, this deep red one. I'm so excited for this one. Nah, I don't really know how I feel about it. It's just like, it's kind of like there, but not really. It's not like as loud or whatever as I would want it to be. Hold on, I'm gonna go a little closer. I'm gonna insert a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of it and insert it, and it doesn't want to focus on my arm. So the last thing that I got is like a Miniso smudge proof eyeliner, and it's long lasting. I think this was you know what? I have the price tag. Let me look at it, because I keep screwing up the prices. This is 100. Wait. This is 99 pesos. And the eyeshadow was 149, and then the eyebrow thing was 199 there. So this is just like some eyeliner. I saw it was 99 pesos. I wanted to try it out, and I don't really know how good it is. The tester was okay, but then, you know, I've just been using like Miniso for the longest time, and I love it, by the way, but I think it's time to move on to bigger, better things. So the first one, my Miniso one was 89. This one is 99. My favorite is like the Clio Killer Black eyeliner, but that thing costs so much. It's like 400, 700 pesos, and I keep losing it. So I don't want to buy it, because if I'm just going to lose it, it's such a waste of money, and I never seem to like lose the cheap ones, but I always tend to lose the expensive ones, which doesn't make sense. I'm just like, whatever, let's not buy it. So I got this one. This is 99 pesos. And here is a little felt tip pen. I'm just going to write on it for you guys so you can see it. It writes pretty well, which is basically why I wanted to get it. And like whenever I buy something, I'll just go like this. I'll pretend like to draw a line or like my wing. And if you guys notice, I really do like winged eyeliner, because my eyes are like kind of droopy, so I gotta bring it up and like wing it so it looks what it looks like now. I look a little bit more awake. So yeah, I am obsessed also slightly with with eyeliner, but don't want to spend that much on it. So yeah, anyways guys, that was my haul. I hope you guys like it. It is small. I start off small, but if you want me to keep doing more hauls, let me know in the comment section below, and I will show you more hauls, more videos like this. Anyways, it was so fun to show you guys what I had, what I got, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe and follow me on all my social media accounts. I'm Isa Please there. I'll see you guys. My camera is like dying. Bye!